Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You're starting with what matters: an eligible Google account and the Google One app. First, sign into the account that has the VPN-enabled plan. Once signed in, make sure the Google One app is updated and you have the latest OS patches, because VPN features appear only on current builds. Now open Google One, tap the Benefits or VPN section, and follow the prompt to start setup. This gets you immediately into the feature, without wasting time on unrelated settings. Once inside the VPN panel, toggle it on. You'll see Permissions Requests next. Grant network and VPN setup permissions, and accept any connection requests. This allows the system to route traffic securely. Make sure to allow location if prompted and exempt Google One from aggressive battery optimization so the tunnel stays active. If you use a work profile or third-party security app, temporarily disable conflicts. After permissions, watch for the confirmation that the VPN is running. Finish by verifying the VPN. Open a browser and check your public IP, or use a DNS/leak test to confirm traffic is routed through Google's servers. If you want continuous protection, enable AutoConnect for untrusted networks. If the VPN won't connect, try the key troubleshooting tip. Sign out and back into Google One, clear the app cache, then reinstall if needed. This resolves most account or config hangups. Finally, confirm your plan still includes VPN and that your OS isn't blocking the connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.